Under the Big Four agenda, the government plans to build 500,000 affordable housing units within a 4-year period to deal with the housing shortage in the country.
But I think we're pleased to be able to highlight some of the critical products that can nonetheless come into place, that have a fundamental focus on funding the real economy, that look at social impact investing, that can nonetheless have the impact we're seeking to have.
In light of the untapped opportunities availed by the capital markets, the authority is poised to provide an ideal source of long-term financing for the housing sector using instruments such as housing bonds, asset-backed securities, real estate investment trusts, mortgage refinance bonds, and county bonds.
Housing that would be in the range of, let's say, 2 million shillings as opposed to the really expensive housing.
The Capital Markets Authority has, however, stated the need to address the interest rate environment and unfavorable macroeconomic conditions to be able to finance affordable housing, given the high rate of about 11% on risk-free assets.
Even as we seek to grow, we also need to significantly deepen our markets, our economies, to make sure that we can counterbalance the significant influence that comes from Angola, South Africa, and Nigeria in terms of assessing continental movements.
We are seeing quite a number of jurisdictions trying to reduce their reliance on the US dollar and overall reliance on the US dollar in global settlement of currency. Dollar share of global currency declining from about 66% in terms of global currency reserves to just over 62% in the last 3 years.
Private equity firms that have invested in the manufacturing sector can use capital markets to monetize investments for shareholders to enable easy trading of existing holdings or for future capital raising to expand. Regina Manyara Guitar reporting for Business Insight.